Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video here on Knife Reviews 365. Today we're going to have a closer look at the differences between the Delica and the Endura. And as always, if at the ending of this video you feel like either of these knives is for you and you want to make a purchase, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Let's have a look at this video. Alright, we got the Delica 4 versus the Endela here, and really what I'm trying to do is decide, do I want to give up the Delica line that I've been carrying around for years and blade up to the Endela? So I'm trying to push it to see what's the largest blade that I feel comfortable carrying. And these are pretty much the same knife, right? They got the same kind of pattern on the handles here. They got the same clip. All right, same kind of steel on the inside. They got VG10 steel, same type of blade shape. Really, it's just the dimensions that are different. So if you want to check out the differences between those two, size-wise and dimensionally for all the stats, I'm going to leave a link right up here for each of the individual knife reviews I did. But for now, let's get a quick size reference. Let's get them on the table here. So there is the Delica 4, and here is the Endela. Man, when you get them on the table next to each other, they just look like such a big size difference. But remember, before it used to jump from Delica to Endura, which is an even bigger size gap. So let's have a quick look right here at the size difference, comparing it to a Sharpie. Wow, it looks like a massive size difference here. Let me turn it this way so we can have a look at it that way. Let's have a look at the thickness here. We know the Delica is going to be just a little bit thinner. So there is an area where the jimping is right before the thumb ramp. Ever so thinner on the Delica 4, right around to the back spacer area. Let's get the official measuring device, El Chopsticko here. So a little bit thicker than a chopstick on its side, and then on the fatty side, thinner. All right, let's do the Endela. Definitely thicker for sure. And then on the fat side, just about the same size. Let's have a look at the blade thickness. And of course, the Endela, being the larger knife, is going to have the thicker blade. So what we're going to do is get them next to each other so we can see just by how much. Okay, I'm going to rock it all the way forward. Right around to the thumb ramp where we can see the jimping. And lastly, let's have a look at the blade size difference next to each other here. So there's that. And the overall length, we can see the difference as well. So just a monstrous difference. I don't know. You know, this feels already good in the hand, but you can kind of see how it's getting a little short back here. But, you know, I don't have a problem gripping onto that. And then let's go over to the Endela. Oh, man, that's really comfortable too. This is a tough choice. This is a really tough choice. And what about the weight, guys? Alright, I already know the Delica weight's going to be 2.3 ounces. I'm just familiar with the Delica 4. So, you can't see that. My bad. Alright, so that's 2.3. Endela should be right around 3 ounces. 3.1. So, let's get the Delica 4 back on here. And, okay, that's 2.3. Gonna throw on 2 quarters. I think we can do 2 more. Yep, right around there. So the difference between the Delica 4 and the Endela is just about quarters, bro. You get dollar. Yeah, I get dollar, bro. Here's your 4 quarters. So there you go. If you feel like the Delica is a little bit too small, maybe the Endela is right for you. Remember, if you want to purchase either of these knives, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.